What is the best VPN for CapCut? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you love editing in CapCut but find yourself facing regional restrictions or want better privacy while using the app, you are probably wondering what's the best VPN for CapCut. In today's video, I'll help you choose the perfect VPN to enhance your CapCut experience. So let's get started. First, why do you need a VPN for CapCut? A VPN can help you access features or assets that are regional locked. It also improves your privacy and security while using the app and reduce geo-restrictions if CapCut is unavailable in your country. So having a reliable VPN can make a big difference. Here are my top recommendations for the best VPNs for CapCut users. First, ExpressVPN, which is super fast and making it perfect for video editing workflows. Plus, it's easy to connect to servers worldwide. Next, NordVPN, which is known for its strong security features and it's great for privacy and bypassing geo-restrictions. Next, Surfshark. It is affordable and lets you connect unlimited devices, making it a budget-friendly choice. Next, CyberGhost. With dedicated streaming servers, it's a great application for smooth access to CapCut's features anywhere. You must know, using a VPN with CapCut is super easy. You can download your preferred VPN from the App Store and open the app and connect to a server in the region you want. Now, launch the CapCut and voila! You now have unrestricted access and added security. Whether you are editing videos for fun or work, a good VPN can unlock CapCut's full potential. My personal favorite is NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and super secure. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and editing tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.